Mommy. Mom. Are you okay?
No, I'm not.
What is it?
The one you call your sister is having an affair with your fiancé.
Mom, stop it. I trust Anita. She can't do such a thing.
Don't live in fool's fantasy. I'm your mother, and I can't sit and see things go wrong. I saw them right at the spot, kissing and hugging each other.
Mommy, Are you sure?
I did, Princess.
Anita and Fred hugging and cuddling.
Yes, I saw them.
Everything okay? Princess, are you okay?
Don't ask her, because you're the cause of this mess. Anita, what have you been hiding from us?
Mom, I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't mom me, because I'm not your mom. The same heart your mother had and took away my happiness and destroyed me. Now you want to do the same to my daughter?
My mother? Mom, I still don't understand. I'm so confused. I don't understand.
Yes, you deserve it, and I'll tell you more. 20 years ago, your mother had an affair with my legal husband, and you are the product of that affair. She took away the joy of my marriage life. And you are here to repeat the same thing to my daughter. No, Anita, I won't sit for that.
Mom, these words are so harsh. I really don't understand. I'm so confused.
I want you to explain why you are seducing your sister's fiancé. Why?
Mom, this accusation is false. I love Princess. She's my sister. I would never do anything to hurt her feelings. Mom, I would never do anything silly to come between a good relationship like the one she has with Fred.
You lied. I saw you. I saw you kissing and hugging each other right at the spot. Anita, now I want you out of this place. Come on, get out. Get out! So that is how I lost my joy and became a widow at a tender age.
I'm sorry. I went away to London on a business trip, and when I came back, nobody told me about this sad news. And you have my number.
Look, MFA, I was confused. I didn't have anybody to talk to.
Sorry. Anyway, how are you coping with that little girl?
You mean the daughter of the woman who claimed his life?
But of course, who else?
That is the memory of pains and regrets my late husband left for me.
But I don't understand. Why would you accept such irreversible memories like that in this house? Eh? This thing right here will hurt you for the rest of your life.
MFA, that was my husband's final wish. That if I owe him anything, it should be his final wish.
Send her out.
It's okay. It's really okay. Don't listen to what she was saying. We've grown up since we're little. We're practically twins. Nobody could come between you and me. Nobody. Not even Mom. But Annie, please. Look deep in your heart. And tell me the truth. Are you in love with Fred?
Princess, you love Fred, don't you?
Of course I do. Of course I do. But Annie, please answer me. Do you love Fred?
You really do love him, right?
I don't care. I don't care. I'm willing to sacrifice everything. I could call off this whole engagement. I just want to know if you're really in love with him. I'll call everything off.
I swear I don't love Fred. I like him just as a person, you know? And I would never do anything to come between both of you. Fred doesn't love me. He loves you. I would just be so happy if you guys ended up together.
I trust you. I really do.
How can I make it go away? I want to know. Loneliness I feel inside. Need someone to hold. At times I see my life in chains. Oh Lord, someone tell me why am I this way? Tears cascading down my eyes. What have I done? What is really going on? What could be wrong?
Are you out of your mind?
I am the one with the broken heart.
Mom, you slapped me.
And I will slap you again.
Mom, you still haven't told me why everything I do in this house irritates you, Mom. Whatever I do, I'm wrong. Whatever Princess does, she's right.
Need you to love me. Need you to care. Take all my sorrows away. Your worries are over. I'll always be there to love you till the end of my days. I never meant to cause you pain. I love you so. You're my everything, and you're all that I know. Wipe the tears of yesteryears, just let it go. Happiness will be your tomorrow. I will do just anything to make you fine, even if it be that I lose my happiness. My love is a precious thing to give, but I won't mind as long as you'll be happy today. Oh. Need you to love me. Need you to care. Take all my sorrows away. Your worries are over.
What's the problem? Yeah. What is it, doctor? What is the problem? What is bothering you? Tell me, I'm prepared to listen.
Alex,
Yeah.
I just got to know that Mrs. Gladys Bartels is not my real mother.
Since when? I mean, we've both known she is since childhood. What are you talking about?
She's my stepmother. Alex, I only knew that yesterday. That my mother was an orphan when she had me. And then after my father's death, it is my stepmother that adopted me.
Why aren't you at work? I just decided to stay home. Come up. Anita, you don't look happy. And why aren't you at work? I'm just not feeling too well.
Are you sure? Because I haven't seen you in this mood of recent.
I'm okay, seriously. I just woke up and decided not to go to work today.
Well, did you tell the office you weren't coming?
Princess, seriously, I really don't care now. I'll be fine, come on. Just go in, change, okay?
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
All right, take care of yourself, okay?
Hey, hi, how are you today? You okay? Your sister told me you weren't feeling too well. So I tried calling you yesterday. Did you not see my missed calls?
I'm okay. I've been really busy lately.
Okay. You sure you're alright? Okay, you squash that, forget it. I've got this lunch meeting with some friends of mine today. And I want you to come along. For lack of a better word, will you be my date?
I'm sorry I won't be available. I have a lot of work to do.
Have you noticed anything about Anita lately? She's acting quite weird.
She seems to be going through some emotional trauma.
Yeah?
I tried asking her, but she refused to talk to anyone. And I think this is really affecting her performance of late.
Do you know if she's got into a fight with anybody? Anything around here probably I haven't heard about?
I don't think so. But we are all asking the same question.
Okay. Keep up the good work. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay?
Yeah.
Good.
I wish he's mad.
What's going on?
I'm alright. How are you?
I'm okay.
It's very happy to find food to eat, huh?
Hungry. And congratulations.
On what?
Let's say I'm being curious.
Curious about what?
Like you don't know what I'm talking about, Alex.
What are you talking about? Just tell me.
About you being in love with...
It's okay.
And
It's okay.
do I have to continue?
No. We're just trying to see whether we can do something.
Well, you're welcome to the home of Butthouse.
Thank you.
Anyway, I'll catch you later. I'm going to get some lunch.
Okay.
All right, take care.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Fred?
Yes, Dad.
Fred, I perceive you're not yourself these days. Can you be bold enough to tell Daddy what the problem is?
There's no problem, really. It's just Anita I'm worried about. She seems to be going through a lot of difficult times. And it worries me. You know, she's not at her peak anymore. She doesn't really perform at work. And it worries me. And the worst part, she's not talking to anybody. She refuses to even speak to me.
How? Why should it be so? How should it be? But she's supposed to be very, very happy. At least to see her family getting together with my family. At least her sister is marrying into my family. Yes. Anyway, I see that your heart and love is deeply rooted in that family. Well, we are finalizing arrangements for the two of you to get married.
Who and I?
Princess, of course. I have spoken to her mother extensively about this, and sooner or later, you will be getting married.
Forget. Sit down and let's go.
Alex, please, you have to do this.
Sit down and let's go. What do you mean you lied to sacrifice the love of your heart? I mean, that's a stupid thing to do.
Alex, you don't understand the pressure that I'm going through right now. The only way out is for me to lie that I'm not in love with Fred. Okay, it's just my mother's dream that her daughter gets married to the man that she desired for her.
At expense of your love? I mean, how do you expect Fred to take this? That you're dropping your love for an arranged marriage?
Alex, will you help me out? I need you to go to my house and tell my mother that you're in love with me. Tell her that you want to get married to me.
Are we getting married?
I don't know about that for now, but Alex, I need you to do this for me, okay? That is the only way they'll know that I'm telling the truth. Alex, please.
All right. Sit down, let's go.
Alex, will you do it?
Let's go.
No, Alex, you promise.
I will do it, okay?
You're serious.
that's great. Oh, she is doing wonderfully well. Yes. Oh, that is excellent. Look, I will set the preparations as soon as possible. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. Princess! Emma, the owner has called for me to prepare as soon as possible for the engagement.
Anita, I came in here to tell you one thing. I can say them in a lot of words, but I just want to say I love you. God knows I love you, and I will do anything to make it work between us. Every day I see you, I know there's a reason to live on. I want to be with you. I cherish you so much. And I will not do anything to spoil it. But I don't understand one thing. Why you treat me in this way? Why?
Fred, I love you. I love you so very much. God knows I love you.
Then why?
But how can I keep loving you when your heart is already on my sister and arrangements are in top gear for you both to be joined together? Fred, I don't want to be a stumbling block on my sister's joy.
What joy? Anita, please just get it, understand it. What they're trying to do is wrong. They're trying to join two people together, which is not right. Two wrong lovers. I don't love your sis. Hey, Anita, I love you. And I want to be with only you. I cherish you so much. So please, please don't do this to me. Anita, we can move this way.
Please don't get any closer, okay? This is a very crucial moment. And I don't want to embarrass neither your family or my family.
What family embarrassment you talking about? Who cares, Anita? Who cares? Hey, don't you love me anymore? Don't I have a place in your heart anymore?
Fred, my sister loves you. She loves you so very much. She speaks about you every day. Sometimes I even get bored and jealous, but I have no choice than to listen. Fred, you're her joy. I am sacrificing my love for you for the one person that means so much to me.
Anita, make me understand something. Is there somebody who means a lot more to you than I mean to you?
Fred, I already explained to you. See, my stepmother, she has done so much for me. She's actually the reason to why I'm standing here right now. Fred, I don't want to destroy her joy and happiness. Fred. Please, Fred. If you truly love me like the way you say, you would do this for me. This is the one thing that would make my stepmother so happy. And we're standing against it. Fred, please. Just do this one thing for me, Fred.
Come on, baby. Look, I went home and thought about this whole thing. I don't think it would work. How do you expect me to feign up something that could rob you your joy for life? You don't love me, at least I'm not so sure about that. But you've given all your heart to Fred, and I don't know how you could exchange this passion for the satisfaction of your mother.
No, you don't understand. She's the reason to why I'm like this in life. Okay, with her I've learned so many things. I just don't want to hurt her or call memories.
Memories? What do you mean call back memories?
You wouldn't understand. It's a really long story and I don't want to talk about it. But Alex, I really need you to do this for me. Please. I'm so confused right now. I'm so much under pressure.
It's okay. I don't know, like, of course I can do it, but what happens to us?
Who knows? Maybe someday you and we could be together. I don't know. I just need you to do this for me, Alex, please.
Okay.
You will?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Fred.
Yes, ma'am.
You can have this.
For me. Thank you.
Fred. I wonder how come you speak so good English. You know, it amazes me for a driver, you know.
Ma'am, I guess it's the economic hardship because I've been to university and all. I'm just hoping with time it will get better.
Yeah, I hope to. Well, you can keep applying though. I mean, in the company, maybe you should apply for like a higher position.
Thank you. I'll come to you for more advice.
I'd be very glad. Okay?
Thank you, madam.
Fred, my son, do you realize you made this choice yourself? I didn't make this choice for you. Huh? Mrs. Bartels and her family are very nice to us. So whatever that comes from there is equally good and acceptable. Are you confused? Or are you in love with the two sisters?
I'm not confused. I know what I'm doing. And I'm certainly not in love with both sisters. Dad, it's been Anita all along. And it's only Anita I've been in love with.
Then why now? Why is this coming up now? now that I've finished all arrangements for this engagement, I invited dignitaries to this engagement. My friends, the members of parliament, are all going to come here. The governor of Bank of Ghana has been invited. Even my friend, the governor of one of the states in Nigeria, Honorable Frank Raja, is coming too. My son, I personally called you and you told me you were in love with Princess. Now, why Anita?
That she made me do it. She said she wanted me to help her out. So she made me do it, so I said it.
She made you do it. So what do we do now? What should I do, my son? Huh? You want me to call off this engagement, isn't it? I hope you don't want to put our family's name into disrepute. Come on, my son, come on, come on. Listen, it takes time. You will learn to love her with time, okay?
Yeah, how are you? Please, we are here to see Mrs. Patel.
Oh, okay. Give me a minute, sir. There are some people outside that want to see you.
Who are they?
I don't know. They didn't say. All they said was they wanted to see Mrs. Gladys Battels.
Let them in.
Please, you can come in.
Make yourselves comfortable. Anita, could you please excuse us? I'll be fine, okay?
Gladys, I'm in doubt if you still recognize these faces.
So, what can I do for you people?
We learned that you are giving away the daughter of Victoria in marriage, the property that does not belong to you.
I am not giving away Victoria's daughter in marriage. I am rather giving away my daughter, Princess, to the Ajimais.
You lie. For how long will you continue to lie to yourself? Eh? Who in this city does not know of the relation between our own brother's daughter Anita and Fred Ajiman? And you are sitting down here telling us that it's rather your own daughter you are giving out. Does your late husband not have a family? We are members of his family. And let me ask you, when has it become the right of a woman to give a child out in marriage in this custom or way? Tell me.
It's unheard of.
You have no respect for tradition. I mean, you don't even fear the elders. Look, Gladys, you are taking too much.
Ever since your late brother died, have you taken responsibilities on the children? You were rather fighting over lands and property.
Hey, Gladys, we are not here to be insulted.
You now know that your late brother had children.
Anyway, this is the message from the family. That engagement must stop until further notice.
Nothing can stop me from giving away my daughter to the Ajimines.
Elders, did you just hear that?
Yes.
Did you?
Yes, we did.
Then you leave us with no other choice. You will meet us at Ajiman's house on the day of the engagement, and then we will rub your nakedness in public.
My nakedness?
Yes. You think we don't know? This tells it. We will tell the Ajiman's family that you used your witchcraft to kill Anita's mother and took everything for yourself, turning Anita into a slave in this house.
You would do no such thing. Who are you people? Do you people know me? Would you recognize me if you see me in the streets? This is my mother. Even though she's not my biological mother, but she's my mother and I love her very much. You people are here to destroy a good marriage and I will not let you. I just will not let you.
What the hell are you talking about, Anita? Do you know your origin?
I don't care. I just want you to leave my mother in peace. I don't want you to disturb her. And I will get to the Ajimans before you people do.
Anita! Anita!
He's having a meeting with his friends inside.
Please, can you go and call him? Please, I beg you. I really have to see him.
Please, you know my boss is very difficult. Please, I beg you, you can come and wait for him.
I beg you, please.
Please, I beg you. I beg you. Please.
Oh. Hello, Anita. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
You don't look alright. Is anything the problem?
Please, can I see your boss? I have a very important information for him. I really need to see him. Please let me see him.
Okay. Just stay here, huh? I'll be back.
Thank you, sir.
Angel? You don't look all right. What could the matter be? Huh? Come on, my daughter. Tell me. All right, tell me. Your heart is so grieved and it's written all over you. I know. But I've had series of discussions with my son, Fred. And this is to enable the two families have a mutual relationship, a balanced one. And your mother can testify to that.
No, sir. Sir, this is not the issue. I came here to tell you that Mrs. Gladys Bartels is not my mother. She has loved me and cared for me so much as if I was her own. You see, my mother was an orphan when she died. And after my father's death, it has just been my stepmother and my sister. They are the only family that I have right now. So my stepmother is my strength, my inspiration. She's everything that I want. She's the best mother in this world.
So, why are you bringing up this now?
Because I know there's some uncles would want to capitalize on this issue to bring shame on my mother and her child and disrupt this engagement, sir.
Well, thank you so much for this courageous act that you have just demonstrated. Shows how compassionate and loving you are to your family. Okay? So be bold. Pull yourself together. Huh? But there is one question I want you to answer. If you consider me as your father, give me a straight answer. Fred, come here. Have you ever been in love with my son?
No, sir. Sir, only my sister Princess is in love with Fred.
All right. All right. All right. I'll see what I can do about it.
To care, take all my sorrows away. Your worries are over. I'll always be there to love you till the end of my days. To care, take all my sorrows away. Your worries are over. I'll always be there to love you till the end of my days. Need you to love me. Need you to care. Take all my sorrows away. Your worries are over. I'll always be there to love you till the end of my days. And ever.
Mommy,
Mommy. Mommy, please, what is going on? Mommy, what is going on?
Where is Anita?
She's upstairs in her room.
Excuse me.
Oh, Mommy. Mommy, someone should please talk to me.
Anita. My daughter, I have wronged you all these years. I have realized now that you love me as a mother. Please forgive me.
Mom. Mom, I should rather be asking for forgiveness for all I have done.
No.
Bringing you all this pain and heartbreak to you and Princess.
You have done nothing. I have mistreated you all this year. Please. Please, I need to forgive me. Your late mother would have been a great woman to have had a wonderful daughter like you. Please, Anita, forgive me.
Mom. Mom, I want you to marry Princess to Fred. Mom, all I desire right now is you as a loving mother. Mom, this hug right now, Mom. It means the world to me. I'm so happy that you love me, Mom. That's all I want.
I do.
You are all welcome. Thank you. And we thank you for these gifts. But before we do anything, we would like to see the man that is coming to marry our daughter. Thank you.
That means we are almost halfway through the ceremony. Seeing the man is not a problem at all. Give us 2 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Fred, our son.
Young man, you can have your seat here.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Since you have accepted our gifts, we have presented our son. To make everything complete, we would like to see our wives. Our wife. Is that okay?
Well, very soon, she will be here.
How soon?
Very soon.
We are in a very serious hurry.
are you doing this to yourself? Huh? Why?
What am I doing?
You are in love with Fred. Look, it's reaching all over you.
Alex, what are you doing here?
Come on. Please, don't do anything that you will regret, okay?
Alex, I don't love Fred.
You do love
No,
Fred.
I don't love him.
Come on, who are you kidding? Look, you can't even stand it. Please, let's spill the beans. Let's reveal it, okay?
Alex, which part of I don't love Fred don't you understand?
You do love Fred.
No, I don't. I don't even know why you're standing out here. I'm only here because I wanted to get some fresh air. That's all, okay? So please just leave.
What is going on here? Honey, what is going on? It's my date, and why are you acting this way? Alex, what is going on here? Why didn't Anita happy for me? Today is supposed to be my day.
I know, but I'm sorry, Princess. She's in love with Fred.
What?
She's always been in love with Fred. Look, me, her relationship, love, everything has been planned. It's fake.
What are you talking about?
Look, Fred is only doing this to just please Anita. Okay? If you go into this marriage, my fear is it just might not work. Okay?
So why didn't she tell me from the start? Is it the time she's supposed to... Oh, God.
I'm sorry, okay? Anita is behind all this, okay? She's just making your mother happy and she's just sacrificing everything for you. I mean, you can call it self-sacrifice.
What do you mean you're sorry?
Sorry, we've been here for over 2 hours and we have still not seen our wife.
Please be patient with us. She's coming.
Is our wife going to come?
Our in-laws, please be patient. She'll be here soon. This is my princess. Doesn't she look like a princess? They have come to ask for your hand in marriage. Shall we receive them?
No. I'm so sorry. I can't stand here and pretend everything is okay when really it's not. I don't deserve to be standing here. If I continue with this, I wouldn't be happy with myself for the rest of my life. The person who deserves to be standing here today and right now is you, Anne. Why did you sacrifice the love you have for Fred for me to stand here? It's not right. I can't do that to you. I love you so much, and you deserve to be with Fred. Yes, you do. Ma, I'm so sorry. Ma, please. Please, if you truly love me, please join Anne and Fred together. They deserve to be together, not me. Would you do this for me?
Well, what fate has joined together? What can we do? She is also my own daughter. I would like to ask if you can also take her, since she's also my daughter.
In fact, we are faced with a very critical situation. Very, very critical.
Yeah, really.
Fred?
Yes, Dad.
What have you got to say about this?
Well, actually, Princess couldn't have said it any better. I've been in love with Anita all along. And I wish I can get married to Anita.
Anita. I see. Anyway, she's equally beautiful.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And a thing of beauty is always a joy forever. And if she is the one to bring joy and happiness into the life of my son, my only son, why not? Mm-hmm. Well accepted.
How can I make it go away? I want to know. Loneliness I feel inside. Need someone to hold. At times I see my life in chains. Oh, lonely road. Someone tell me, why am I this way? Tears cascading down my eyes. What have I done? What is really going on? What could be wrong? I am the one with a broken heart, a broken soul. How could true love cause me pain? Need you to love me, need you to care. Take all my sorrows,